Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious spicy chicken stock. And these are my ingredients right here. If you can't find habanero, I think you should use Scotch bonnet or ghost peppers. But I don't think, jalapenos will be strong enough. I have celery, carrots. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. In this bowl right here, I have a whole head of garlic and a large white onion. You can use yellow onion, doesn't matter. Back there, I have my chicken legs. You can use a whole chicken, but I had chicken legs. And I'm not making that much chicken stock anyway. I have fresh thyme and bay leaves, and of course, my water. All right, so to my pot, I'm going to add all the ingredients except for the habanero. So I added the carrots, the celery, the onion, the garlic, the chicken legs, and that's pretty much it. Well, not pretty much it, but y'all, you get the point. But y'all, I be so frazzled when I be talking to y'all these days, but just have some patience with me. You know the tea already, okay? But you want to add all the chicken legs down in here, and then I'm going to add the water. So usually a lot of people don't add salt to their chicken stock, but I added a little. It wasn't too much, but I wanted it there because I wanted to make sure it tastes good for when I make this next recipe, because that's what it's for. This is how it looks after about an hour on low heat. So right here, all I'm doing is removing like the impurities or those little foamy things that come on top of the stock, because you don't want that down in there, because there's no really real way to strain that out. So if you see any impurities, as you can see, I don't have that much, so it wasn't that bad this go around. So I'm just gonna take it off the top and do it each time that it forms, and then you're good to go. And you want to cover it and continue cooking. Another hour and about 10 minutes later, this is how it looks. I'm going to cut the heat off, and then I'm going to add my habanero down. I don't cook the habanero because I don't want the flavor to dissipate. Like, I don't know. It's just, maybe it's in my head, child. But anyway, just do what I say. I put the habanero down in there right at the last minute and some more time. While it cools, the heat is going to like get all the flavor, delicious flavor from the thyme and the habanero and the heat. And it's just going to be so good and so amazing. First of all, the minute I dropped the habanero down in there, the smell was just crazy good, like crazy. And so now I'm going to strain it. Y'all, don't judge me. This is the only big strainer I had in my house. Okay, don't judge me. Don't start. If you got more advanced, more better, gadgets, cool, but I don't. And so I'm going to strain it out, and then I'm going to jar it up. All right, so as you can see here, I'm about to put the stock in my jars, and I'm straining it again to get any other small pieces out. But again, you could probably beat this step if you had a better strainer than I did. So I'm storing them in a jar. They're not going to be in my refrigerator too long at all. I'm actually going to use it the next day, which would have been the other day, and for a delicious recipe that I can't wait to show you guys. It was highly requested, and I decided to take the extra step and make my own chicken stock. And I don't think I've ever made chicken stock on this channel before. And the little spin with the habanero is so good, you guys. And the heat definitely comes through. It's definitely spicy. It's not like hot, unbearing spicy, but it's definitely spicy. It has a kick. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on my next video, which will be tomorrow. And I love y'all. Bye.